Ever feel like your Samsung app icons look a bit boring? What if I tell you that you can turn them into clean, premium gradient icons in just a few minutes? No paid apps needed. Let me show you. Alright, first things first, open GoodLock or FineLock. You can use either one. Both are free on the Play Store, so no worries there. Once you're inside, install a module called Theme Park. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything works smoothly. Now open Theme Park and tap on Icon. Next, tap Create New to start customizing your icons. Here, choose the shape you like first. After that, tap on Effects, then select Gradient. This is where the magic happens. Set your start color and end color however you want. I've already prepared some elegant gradient color palettes, so make sure to check the description if you want easy inspiration. Optional step, but highly recommended. Set the angle to 75. Shadow to 48 and 60. And edge to 13. These settings make the icons look more polished and premium. When everything looks good, tap Save in the top right corner. Give your icon pack a name, then tap OK. After it's saved, just tap the icon theme you created and hit Apply. And done! Your Samsung app icons now look clean, modern, and way cooler than before. So yeah, who knew changing your phone's vibe could be this easy? If you want your home screen to stand out without extra apps or complicated steps, this trick is definitely worth trying.